Uttarakhand will remain under President's rule for now, the Supreme Court has said, keeping status quo until it takes a decision. A floor test that the High Court had ordered Harish Rawat to take this Friday will not be held. Arguments will continue in court next week. The Supreme Court had asked the centre to answer 7 questions, which include whether a delay in a floor test can be grounds for the proclamation of President's rule.
और मार्च में आश्रम धर्मशाला से 75 लाख के बीच में हिस्सा लिया, लेकिन ऐसा न हो कि
Siddharth Pandey joining us at this point for more. Siddharth, the court in effect saying that it's just delayed everything until it finishes hearing the case?
Well, that's right. In fact, the main takeaways today are the fact that right now President's rule is going to stay in effect in Uttarakhand. Also the fact that the centre will not intervene, it will not lift President's rule, because that's something that the Congress had alleged, that they fear that the centre would lift President's rule to allow the BJP to come and form the government. So that's also not going to happen. And of course, the Supreme Court is hoping that by Thursday next week, they finish hearing all the arguments, and before the 13th of May, latest at the outer limit, that they also give a judgment. The Supreme Court also has several strong observations today, saying that is a sting operation strong enough as a reason to impose President's rule in a state? It can be ethically wrong, it can be wrong as far as the law is concerned if it's proved, but is it strong enough to impose President's rule in the state? Those were several observations that the Supreme Court had also raised, and also very significantly saying that even if we don't lift President's rule now, at some point or the other, you will have to have the floor test. And once again repeating the fact that the floor test essentially is the best test of democracy to prove whether the government has numbers or not. Well, of course, that's what really has happened in the Supreme Court, and several political reactions on essentially what happened in the Supreme Court today.
न्याय व्यवस्था पर पूरा विश्वास है। मुझे यकीन है कि न्यायालय इसका संज्ञान लेंगे। जो दूसरा पार्ट 2 था वो ये था कि आप कोई काम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे जिससे राष्ट्रपति शासन हटे या जो है आप कोई सरकार आप बनाने का कदम उठाएं करके। और मैं समझता हूं, शायद मैंने अभी पूरी तरीके से देखा नहीं है, आज के जजमेंट में भी जो है ये बात सम्मिलित होगी।